What's good, bloods? Guess you finally got their hat back from their ex. I did! Woo! So this month I went to Aberdeen with my friends. It was an awesome time. Kinda.
Plate of noodles and a chocolate fountain. I wanna die. Chocolate noodles.
They just taste separate.
Are the chocolate noodles lit? Sigma.
Hold up.
I don't wanna eat ever again, man.
I had my phone fully charged in Aberdeen, yeah? And then by the time we got back on the train, it was only about 7%, so... What the fuck? Obviously my phone battery's been shit since I've had this phone since it came out on launch, which is like 2020. So, we're gonna change that. Anyway, I've had this battery kit since December. If I don't put this in soon, the battery's just gonna be terrible or something. Again, so, you know, kinda wanna fix that. Don't wanna have it twice. I'm gonna take apart the phone today, and hopefully not break it, because if I break it, I'm switching to a Nokia. Right, let's get it.
This is the phone, pretty good phone. I hope I don't break it, but looks like we just have to hope. Got the repair toolkit, so in here we got the screwdrivers, the metal plunger thing, and some tape for the battery. I'm actually kind of nervous now. And then in here, we have got, yep, this looks like a battery. Oh wait, it's not even in the camera. For Pixel 5. Yeah, I think it's for the Pixel 5, I don't know. Right, put that back in here. So it appears I kind of need to heat up the phone so I can get the adhesive off. How am I gonna do that? Wait, I know. Since the fucking laptop's so hot, I'll just heat up the phone with the laptop. So this is what we got so far. I don't have a flash on my laptop, so I'm recording on my laptop. So this is what we got so far. I don't have a flash on my laptop because, well, I'm recording on my laptop. I record everything on this phone, so it better not die. But that's what we got. Right now I have to get this bit off, and the guy in the video is just going like, clipping it back with a screwdriver, so let's give it a shot. Oh, fucking, shut up! I'm just not going to take off the screen because at this point it's a bit scary, so I'll just take off whatever I need to apart from the screen. If I'm being honest, I don't know what the f I'm doing, so I might just come back to this another day. Pop the phone back in, make sure it all works, I guess. Turn on the phone, see if it works. Oh! Fuck. Turn the speaker off. Shit. No, I've f***ing broken it. Are you fucking joking? You can't be fucking serious. I didn't actually think I would break my phone from doing this. Well, that's the screen gone. Well, maybe not all of it. I don't know, I swear I just saw something in this corner. Well, fuck. I never thought I would have fucking broken my phone doing that. I thought as a joke, oh, maybe, what if I just break my phone, doesn't work, and have a nice little video. No! I've broken the screen. Like nah, cause, right. So, now I've got to actually switch to a Nokia. Or an iPhone. What do I want? iPhone or Nokia? Hey, we've still got this side of the screen that works. You can see at a time. 2. Fucking 2. I can enter my code. I could... Bruv. The touchscreen doesn't even work. This is not moving. Alright, so we've got the iPhone like set up and all that, yeah? But here's the one problem. The camera just doesn't work. It's completely black. I got this from my stepbrother, who just threw it out the window I think, so I repaired the screen and I got to keep it. But I also got an iPhone 6s from my sister who just upgraded. My idea is I have one of these set at home, but I am actually going to rock a Nokia. Me and my boy Daniel will be matching. Alright, we've got the iPod as a camera because I was going to use this iPhone right here, but the camera just doesn't work. The iPod, I just can't use it as a phone because it doesn't have WhatsApp, doesn't support it like at all. But basically, we're going to get the Nokia TA1543. So let's hop over and get it. Fuck. Who knows, maybe I dodged a bullet with Nokia. For my phone situation, I'm just going to bounce around with the iPhone 6. The one with the camera this time. But I'll probably start saving for a new phone soon. Preferably Android, but then again, a phone is a phone. I don't necessarily need a high and almighty expensive phone, just something I can fuck about with and take video for when I need it. I'll be back after summer because I need to cook a little bit if I want the Platform Blood video to be good. By the way, Platform Blood is still coming. I'm just in a bit of a block right now, but it'll be all good, we'll sort it. But yeah, I'll be back soon. Maybe with a Nokia? I'm just saying.